Visionaries of the Class of 2023. Harness AI. Could I distill my counsel into a single term, AI would claim the throne. The potency of AI in large language models is incontrovertible, while the rest of my homilies will inevitably bear the imprint of my idiosyncrasies and somewhat dubious life choices. Still, I shall march forward with this well-meaning diatribe. Delve deeply into the realm of data science. Its power and allure will remain an enigma until your hands have birthed a battalion of machine learning models. Yet, believe me, 2 decades hence, you'll glance back at the code of your youth and marvel at the genius and innovation brimming within. Your code is far from the maladroit mess you might perceive it to be. Fret not over the daunting task of future forecasting. Even the most refined tools like a Rima or Holt Winters merely provide a window to past patterns, while the elusive black swans that shatter your carefully crafted predictions remain stubbornly unpredictable. The server crashes that rudely interrupt your meticulously designed systems will invariably ambush you on an unassuming Tuesday afternoon. Embark on a venture daily that raises eyebrows, like serenading your workstation. Resist the urge to hasten your code. Some days you're ahead, some days you trail. Each sprint ushers in another. The work will eventually find completion. Or your project might fall victim to budgetary guillotines, rendering all your concerns moot. Annotate the apparent parts of your code. Veil the vital bits to fortify your position. Abandon your digital fortress periodically for a rejuvenating promenade. Archive your virtual correspondences. Obliterate your digital debris. If the latest algorithmic craze leaves you bewildered, shelve the guilt. The next buzzword will swiftly gallop in, offering a fresh start. Perhaps you'll listen to management, or perhaps not. Your code might receive a makeover, or it could be tossed into the void. You might remain a loyal foot soldier in the tech startup battlefield, or the allure of multinational corporations with a wealth of benefits may entice you. In any scenario, refrain from excessive pride or unwarranted shame. Your journey is an intricate dance with stochasticity, a fate shared with all. Acknowledge programming style guides, even if you find their prescriptions a touch pedantic. Avoid the siren call of README files. Their allure masks their potential to ensnare you in a debugging loop. Dabble in proprietary commercial data science software once, but beware the complacency it can breed. Contribute to open source projects once, but withdraw before your bank account whispers a reminder of your pecuniary needs. Offer a respectful nod to your predecessors. Our efforts laid the groundwork for the digital wonders you now deftly wield. We might not grasp the appeal of TikTok, but its existence owes a debt to the GeoCities and MySpaces we birthed. Consider whose advice you internalize, and refrain from accepting criticism from those whose counsel you wouldn't solicit. Peddling advice is the elder generation's vain attempt to save you from our past missteps. Rest assured, you're destined to concoct an entirely new repertoire of mistakes. But take my word on one thing. AI